This is a quick video. This is a unboxing or unenveloping of some sorts. I recently did a product change. I previously had the Wells Fargo Active Cash Visa Signature card, and I just did a upgrade feature that was on the website when I went to look at my account for the autographed Visa Signature card. And the reason why I chose this card is because you have 3 times the points, which you can use either as cash back or you can redeem the points towards other items on their portal. But the main thing was 3 times the points for restaurants, travel, gas, transit, popular streaming services, and phone plans. Also, with all these benefits with this card, you have no annual fee. But the big kicker for me was no foreign transaction fees. My player 2 and myself have upcoming travels sometime in the near future where it will be international based, and this will come in very handy because we all know that foreign transaction fees are a lot of money that is added on to various different cards that you would use. So this is a big plus. But this card also has a real nice feel to it. It has a plastic coating, but in between it has metal. It's like plastic and metal sandwiched in between it. But it's a very nice quality. It's sturdy. But it was a no-brainer for me because, with restaurants, travel, but gas, especially with gas, what's going on, and streaming, we stream a lot. So I highly recommend, if you product change your existing Wells Fargo card or you apply for the card itself, it's a win-win. Redesign, rebuild, reclaim.